What's up, church? Pastor Eric here. I just want to say, you guys, thanks so much once again for releasing us and allowing us to go on this little vacation here in Cabo. We all just got back from a great day out there in the water. We went jet skiing and all kinds of other great fun stuff. I think I'm feeling a church family retreat coming up here in the near future. Well, I just wanted to say, you guys, thanks so much once again for allowing us to come on out and spend some time together as a family, just kind of away from the cares of all the stuff that we usually got going on. And also just to let you guys know that I know that Pastor Ernie's got a powerful message coming up. Right now we're on this Unpack or Open Before Christmas sermon series. Last week we went in and we talked about showing your family that you care. And this week we're going to be talking about showing your neighbors that you care. So make sure you guys go ahead and you guys pay attention, write in those fill in the blanks, and keep us in prayer. By the time you guys probably see this, we'll probably already be on our way back home. So we can't wait to see you guys again. Love you guys. God bless. See you soon.